Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope the year 2026 will bring you all the joy in the world. So let's see us each other on this channel from now on, also in 2026. So in this video I want to address one of the most asked question in my comments on the channel in regards with coffee machines and in regards with the disassembling process. So I want to address the infamous screw, the infamous screw that everybody is asking me how to open. So at first glance it looks like a rivet. It looks like the manufacturer wanted to rivet the entire assembly in order to not be opened. But this is not the case. In some sort it is the case because they made it really hard to remove. And let me show you on the microscope what I'm talking about. So we are talking about this screw. I know that you've seen it if you wanted to disassemble a coffee machine. Usually this is used on different coffee machines produced by DeLonghi especially, but not only them. This is a standard in the industry, and as you can see has an oval shape, but it's a screw. When you see it on a coffee machine, let me show you. It looks like this. So you will assume this is a rivet, But as you saw, this is not the case. It has threads, And for this, initially, I didn't know. And I've created a special tool. If you've seen my videos, I made a special tool, an oval head, let's call it a bit, to be able to remove these screws. But in the meantime, you can find this tool on for example, I bought it from Temu. But you can find it also on AliExpress and also on Amazon. So let me show you how it looks like under the microscope. It also has this type of handle. You can use it with this, and you can put it in a screwdriver, and in here you have the oval shape that fits perfectly, perfectly on this this head, and it's really good. So I will put a link in the description of this video where you can buy this tool, let's call it like this. And it's really cheap, so it's $1, $2, something like this, depends on where you buy it. So let me show you that this really works. For example, this one, you can put it and just unscrew the screw out, and like this, it's out. So again, this is the tool, this is how it looks like. I will put it in the comment section, in the description of this video. You can buy it and you can open up your machines and try to repair it. So quick video. I really hope this helps you. If yes, give it a thumbs up so I know. If you have any other questions, put them in the comment section below. I'm here to help, to share my knowledge, and I'm also here to save this type of units, to not fill the landfill and give them a second life. So again, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if you want, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.